This is the infamous intro. I found it. The co-star of this Minecraft series, Mr. Ty 2028, is always refers to this. Here we go.
Hello, I am Mystery Man Bro, and this is my house. And that is an island next to my house.
The dog bark is so, like, how does this? This is accidentally genius.
And that is a staircase built by the person who lives up there. And this is a mine. And this is what we'll be doing today, is going inside of this mine. Hello, Mr. Tyler, would you like to come down, please? After I get my mutton that is in here. And then we'll just...
Okay, I think that's it. I think that's the intro of this. If you can even call it that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so. Oh, it's so. I. Oh my goodness.